know the background music is not supposed to upstage the band. Hello everyone. We're a band called Wolf Whistle. We've been around for 13 fucking years now, I think. Is that about right? No, it's 11 years. This is our first time playing outside of Massachusetts ever. So consider yourself unique at best. This is a new song that we've never played before live, and it's called The Meat Man.
I Thank you very much. Regional Justice Center is going to be playing right after us. And I want to thank all the folks, kind folks involved for letting us play tonight. I really appreciated what the singer of Fixation had to say about punk and hardcore being something that provides you a bit of an outlet. Am I right? This one's about mowing lawns. This is the part where our set really takes a turn for, depending on your taste of hardcore. Is there any water by any chance? Fucking rock star. Me. My apologies. Hey, this is going out to all the small towns of America. Big cities are nice, but the vast majority of America is a whole lot of small town shit. And I know what it's like to be from a place that gets fucking ripped off time and time again in the name of the city. So to the suburbanites and the rural Americans and just rural folk that feel forgotten, this song's for you. It's called M.A. Glory. Wolf Whistle strongly endorses hydration. It's a massive ingredient to endurance in the sport of hardcore. So here it up. Let's give it up for all you fellow hydrators out there. Get your Gatorade, your Powerade, or even a little bit of fucking H2O, the substance, not the band. That song was called Matter. It was a reference to the Black Lives Matter movement. Before we get a little antsy, I just want to highlight here that I am someone who fancies themselves as a liberal. Before you throw any fucking stones, I just want to highlight here that I'm not the type of liberal that goes around fucking hating anyone who has a different political identity than my own. It's just, to me, that's like the antithesis of what it means to be a liberal. I'm a person who believes that the status quo should be considered a change a little bit more frequently than my more conservative or less liberal friends, which I have many in this life. And I just want to highlight the fact that we live in a country that's getting deeply more and more fucking divided. It's getting harder and harder to talk to people because of their political ideas, as if it's the only thing that matters, and it does matter a whole lot, but we're going fucking nowhere fast if we don't start having the courage and bravery to talk to people across the lines. So that's all I'm saying. We gotta talk to each other. Not fucking yell like I'm about to do. To Fixation! Hey, real quick, I got something to say about this next song. I think it's, we got Fixation talking about incarceration, and we got Regional Justice Center basically being a band about incarceration. And this song is about incarceration. And if you are on the outside, but you have a loved one on the inside, I'm not making any big grandiose fucking political statement here, but it's tormenting to know that someone's on the inside, especially when you live in kind of a bullshit, not in my backyard state like Massachusetts, who feigns progress and feigns liberalism, but treats its incarcerated like they're the scum of the earth, especially the mentally ill. So to anyone who knows the fucking pain and the hours you spend up at night thinking about what's going on with your mentally ill sibling, loved one, and asking yourself, why are they in a fucking box when they should be getting treated and not put in a system that's gonna just demand their presence right back. It's called Give It Time. This one's about my friend Ryan Hudon. Is anyone a fan of Samuel Beckett? We have this thing called Waiting for Godot, or En Entendu Godot. It's about waiting for a person, or a thing maybe, or a god that never fucking shows. My best friend Ryan. Just a couple more things. Like I said, this is our first show ever in 11 some odd fucking years outside of the fake state of Massachusetts. Again, I'm a liberal, but I hate my liberal state of Massachusetts because I think it's bullshitting us. Anyway. Isn't New York supposed to hate Massachusetts? I thought you were supposed to be like, yeah, fuck Massachusetts. Yeah! Maybe not. Fuck Jersey. Real quick. I was taking a shower this morning and I was thinking about this sad and things I want to say. And I'm a history teacher and my students often explain history. They say, oh, you know, when they're looking at it, it's only a matter of time. It's only a matter of time for something like this happens. And I think that that's pretty fucking misguided. This idea that time is going to make something happen. That's what that last song was about. Pretty much all of our songs about at the end of the day. But I don't think it's ever a matter of time. I think it's a matter of you. And the sooner that you understand that time doesn't give a fuck about you, it's just going to keep on going on, I think the sooner we're going to start to see the society that we all, left and right, want. I'll leave it up to time. Got one song left.
Alright. Song. The song's about a dog not getting hit by a car. It's a song about the owner getting their skull cracked open, and in its last glimpse it sees its unattended Pomeranian dog. It's going out to Shakers. Thanks for having us.
Big thanks to Shakers.
hardcore scenes die when young people, not that I don't think many of us are all that young, when they don't have a place to play. This shit fucking dies, so you gotta reach out to the younger people because more and more of them are going to listen to like SoundCloud rap and that shit sucks. So peace and love.